Hey guys, just wanted to show you something cool that I did, and it's one of my favorite things. Every week here we do a shop improvement, something that's going to make our job easier, something that's going to help us do the job faster, something that's going to get us more organized. So a few examples are stuff like this, organizing taps over there, something to organize our drills. That was a different week. But recently, I did one that was my most favorite of all time. So I'm going to bring you over here and show you something. Now, if you've ever used an Ironworker like this, you know a few things. One, they're a fantastic tool. You can shear stuff, bend stuff, punch stuff. You can even shear angle iron up here. It can cut the time on a job down like nothing else. But there's one problem, and that is you can't see anything. When you're down here trying to shear something, you gotta get your flashlight out, carry one in my pocket, shine it in here, and try and figure out, hey, where's that line that I sheared? Now, if you're doing something that, you're doing a bunch of pieces to a specific length, and it's under whatever this is, 18 inches, you just slide it in, hit the stop, chop it, slide it in, stop. Okay, but I cut stuff that's 4, 5, 8 feet long sometimes back here. So this was my shop upgrade, and this took probably 2 weeks to get this all figured out, but check it out. I put lights on everything. Now there's no biffing around with a flashlight to see in here. These over here didn't necessarily need lights. I just thought, what the heck, if I'm going for it, might as well go all the way. Down here, same thing. You can see the shear blade back in there, and it's perfect. You got a line on something, you put it right in. You can see the material. Put it wherever your line is. Bam, chop it. So yeah, got it down there in the shear for that. Got it on the shear for the angle iron, and then the bender as well. So, if you've ever had the same frustration, comment below. Tell me if you're interested in something like this. I can show you more about how I did it. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because I was way too excited about it. Thanks.